For anyone who's followed the journey of Smartkit Australia, you would know that we are very, very tech focused in the way we operate and manage the business. This has allowed us over time to scale and grow, but also to do that to be the most efficient way we can be as well. And the website is obviously a really, really important part of that. So this is the third version of the Smartkits website in the last 5 years, but it's also one that we're extremely proud of. There's a lot of work that's gone into this. Over the Christmas break, we were working madly behind the scenes, and everyone in the business was involved in that to rebuild the current Smartkits website, to increase its functionality, and to create a more interactive product that you guys can use to customize your own kit. Now, as you are aware, we have thousands of listings there with variables within the listing. So for example, if you wanted to buy a 10 meter by 6 meter insulated flyover roof, but you wanted it to be 10.5 meters by 6.3 meters, that's the kind of customization you can do within the listing itself. You can increase the height, you can add more posts, you can change the post types. There's a whole bunch of variations in there, and you can pick your colors now as well. So you can purchase directly through the website, or you can get a quote directly through the website. As far as I know, we were the first to do this. We've got the best website in the market for you guys to be able to get on there and find accurate, fast answers. No more waiting for a sales rep or a design consultant to come back to you. You can get an answer today, which means that you can make a faster, more informed decision about what you're going to do with your home improvement project. We can get these kits on site anywhere in Australia in under 4 weeks. I'm very, very proud to say that. This website allows you to expedite that process, make it happen even faster, so we don't lose days in the middle. So what we need you to do is jump on the website, smartkits.com.au. You can go to any one of our products listings here on the website. You'll see the drop-down menu, very, very simple. We've broken this down into 8 categories here. Choose the type of roof that you're after, a flyover, a flat patio, a deck, a carport. They're all there, they're really easy to see. Jump on insulated flyover roof if that's what you're looking for today. You'll see our introduction page, and down the bottom of the page, you'll see our listings. Each one of these listings is a standard size, 3 meter by 3 meter, 4 meter by 3 meter, 5 meter by 3 meter, and so on and so on. Within the listing itself, this is an insulated flyover roof, 3 meter by 3 meter. The standard price as is. Shipping is calculated once you've added it to your cart. You can go to that next step, put in your location, and we'll give you an accurate shipping price anywhere in Australia. Choose your roofing colours. Upgrade your post sizes. Bunch of different options there. Choose your post colours. Choose your beam colours. Write your colour options in here if you something that you see there that you want to add in, a note for us. You can increase the length of this kit in 100mm increments, all the way from 3 meters up to 4 meters. You can make it 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Increase the projection of the kit, so that's the distance out from the house, in 100mm increments. You can add downlights right here, a really popular upgrade for our insulated flyover roofs, or for any insulated roof. You can choose the amount of downlights right now. It'll add that into the listing and give you a total price on the page. You can upgrade the kit. When we talk about upgrades, you might live in Townsville, you might live in Cairns, you might live in Mackay, you might live in Bundaberg, Rockhampton, Gladstone. You can live anywhere where there's a slightly higher wind rating. We give you the option to make that upgrade right now. That's a really key feature for us for our North Queensland customers or anyone living in the northern parts of Australia. You can also upgrade to a steel frame house design. A lot of people out there, you've got steel frame homes, fantastic, termite proof, gosh knows we love steel, but they can be a little trickier when it comes to putting a home improvement on because they don't always give you standard attachment options. With Smartkits Australia, we have an engineered upgrade option for all of our attachments, no matter where you are in Australia, for a steel frame home, and you can make that selection in the listing right now. We've also added more links into the listing itself. Every single listing has a roof plan that you can access for a standard win rating, not our cyclonic option because they can vary in the actual design size. But if you want to understand the basics of this structure, you will click on this link here, click to view roof plan, or you can click on the link underneath it to view more photos of similar structures. Now you know that all of our listings have a bunch of photos in there of very, very similar content. But what we've also done is we've made larger galleries. So more information for you guys. So you can jump on that, click here to view more photos, and you'll see more photos of your type of structure. Once you've added your listing to your cart, you can jump over to the cart and you can carry through with the transaction to purchase that kit. Here's the key for us. You purchase the kit, every single person who purchases one of our smart kits gets a check measure phone call within 24 to 48 hours of that purchase happening, where one of our qualified builders, that's right, a qualified, licensed carpenter slash builder, a man who has built thousands of these structures over the years, and we have a few of them in our office here, will be calling you personally and having a conversation with you about what you've bought. The last thing I want to do is put the wrong kit on site because you didn't quite understand what you're doing. We're going to make it as efficient as possible and make sure that you get all the information you need. And that's a great opportunity to have a conversation about what you've purchased, how it's going to attach to your house, how it's going to function, and whether it's the right choice as well. And if something needs to change, that's okay. We'll make those changes there. Just because you purchased it through the website doesn't mean you're locked in stone. We can make changes and we can adjust things right there. That's the purpose of that check measure phone call. Nothing goes into fabrication or production until you've had that call. I can promise you that. You're going to speak to someone who knows what they're doing to help guide you through that process and talk to you about the next steps that happen with that delivery as well. The Smartkits Australia website is the best place for you to purchase your home improvement project today and start building your outdoor lifestyle. We're very, very proud of what we've done. There's hundreds and hundreds of hours that have gone into creating the most interactive and workable site so that you have the best experience from the moment you know about us to actually building your home improvement project. Australia's most trusted DIY home improvement store. We stand by our brand, we stand by 100% colourblind steel, and we stand by the thousands of happy homeowners that we've worked with over the years to create great outdoor